In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to style the header button in Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can make your site's call to action look clean and consistent. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and selecting your site. From there, click Website, then click Edit. This takes you into the visual editor where you can make changes right on the page and see them update in real time. It's a great way to work because you can immediately judge spacing, color, and readability as you go. Next, move your cursor to the very top of the page, over your site header. You'll see an option appear that says Edit Site Header. Click that. The header is the bar that typically contains your logo or site title, your navigation links, and the button we're about to style. Editing the header from here ensures your changes are consistent across your pages, which helps keep your brand looking professional. Now, find the button within the header and double-click it to open its edit menu. This is the call to action button that often says something like Contact, Shop, or Book Now. Double-clicking brings up a compact menu where you control what the button says and where it leads, all in one place. Inside that menu, start with the content and link. Adjust the button text to something short, clear, and action-oriented. A concise label helps with both readability and click-through rates. Then set the link so it points exactly where you want visitors to go, an internal page, a specific section, or an external URL. Choose the most direct path to the action you want people to take. Keeping the label and link aligned makes your button feel intentional and trustworthy. When the wording and link are set, switch to the Design tab. This is where the visual styling happens. Select the button style that fits your brand. Options typically include solid or outline treatments, different sizes, and variations that affect how the button stands out against your header background. As you pick a style, glance at the surrounding elements to make sure the text is easy to read and that there's enough contrast for accessibility. Aim for a style that's visible without overwhelming your navigation. That's all there is to it. You clicked Website and Edit, opened Edit Site Header, double-clicked the header button to fine-tune its content and link, and then used the Design tab to select the style that best represents your brand. Take a moment to scan your header at desktop and mobile sizes to confirm everything looks crisp, legible, and inviting. With these quick adjustments, your header button will stand out for all the right reasons.